Start creating this patch with a grid SOP. Then add twist. From its parameters, increase the strength. I also decrease the amount of rows and columns to create a little different shape. After that, add copy SOP. Increase the number of copies. From the copy parameters, increase rotation. Go to the grid parameters again and change the center. Set a number to get a shape you want after the copy. Then add another twist SOP after that and increase the strength. I also changed the center again. Add noise SOP to create a slight movement. So from its parameters, decrease the roughness and amplitude. Increase the period. It's my shape for now. To render, add null first and right-click on its output. And then add geometry comp, add camera comp, add line material and assign it to the geometry. Then render top. From the material parameters, adjust the widths. From the Common tab, set the resolution of the render. Increase the columns and rows of the grid if you like. Adjust parameters as you want. I move the camera. Change the color and width of the line material. To create the sketchy effect, add bloom top first. Then add edge top after that. You can also add emboss top before the edge and adjust parameters to create an effect on the shape. Then create a feedback loop after the edge. To do that, add feedback top. Then add level. Place add top and connect the level and the edge top to its inputs. Set target top and feedback top by dragging and drop the add top on the feedback top. From the level parameters, go to the post tab and slightly decrease the opacity to something like 0.962. Now the lines are visible beautifully. To adjust them, go to the bloom parameters. Changing intensity and radius will change the effect. Also increase the opacity in the level top to make them more visible. I want to use this as a background for my shape, so it's not important if I'm getting a burned white on the shape. Go to render top and add a null after that. Then add composition top. Now connect this null and the previous top you made to the composition top. I added a transform top before the bloom to make this background bigger by increasing the scale. Change the composition operation to over and place the shape as first input. To create more details, go to the line material parameters and enable draw points from the point tab. Increase the size and change colors to black. Then add null and output. Again, adjust parameters. I also added keyboard in to reset the feedback to see the changes accurately. All background lines are controllable with the bloom and edge strength. You can see the effect of the emboss on the edges.